Have you ever found yourself at an ATM, needing a substantial amount of cash, only to be met with a frustrating message about exceeding your daily limit? It's a common scenario, and it leaves many wondering, just how much money can you actually withdraw from a TD Bank ATM? Understanding these limits is crucial for managing your finances effectively, especially when you need cash for larger purchases, travel, or unexpected expenses. While the exact amount isn't a one-size-fits-all number, it's generally good to know that TD Bank, like most financial institutions, implements daily ATM withdrawal limits for security reasons and to help manage cash flow. These limits are in place primarily to protect your funds in case your debit card is lost or stolen, minimizing potential losses from unauthorized withdrawals. For most TD Bank customers, the standard daily ATM withdrawal limit typically falls between $1,250 and $1,500. This range applies to withdrawals made using a Visa debit card or an ATM card. However, it's important to note that if you're a TD private client customer, you might enjoy a slightly higher limit, often around $1,500. It's also worth remembering that while your bank sets a daily limit, individual ATMs can also have their own per-transaction limits. So, if your bank's limit is $1,500 but the ATM you're using only allows $500 per transaction, you'll need to make multiple withdrawals to reach your full daily allowance. These limits can also vary depending on your specific account type. A basic checking account might have a lower withdrawal limit compared to a premium checking account. This is a common practice across the banking industry, as different account tiers often come with varying levels of features and benefits, including higher transaction limits. If you're unsure about the precise limit for your account, the best way to confirm is to check your account agreement, log into your TD Bank online banking portal or mobile app, or simply call TD Bank's customer service. They can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information tailored to your individual account. What if you find yourself needing to withdraw more than your daily ATM limit? Don't panic, you have a few options. One straightforward solution is to visit a TD Bank branch. In-person withdrawals at a teller typically have much higher limits, or in many cases, no limit at all beyond your available balance. This is the most reliable way to access a large sum of cash if you need it immediately. Another strategy, if you have some time, is to split your withdrawals over several days. For instance, if you need $3,000 and your limit is $1,500, you could withdraw $1,500 today and another $1,500 tomorrow. You can also look into getting cash back at a store when making a purchase. Many retailers offer this service, and while there might be a limit on the cashback amount, it could count towards your debit card's daily purchase limit, which is often higher than your ATM withdrawal limit. Lastly, if you frequently need higher withdrawal amounts, you can inquire about increasing your daily ATM limit. TD Bank allows customers to request a limit increase by visiting a branch or calling their EasyLine telephone banking. Once approved, the new limit will remain in effect until you request another change. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.